So about the
आमदारांनी मिक्स करते
किनाले
आमदारांच्या मीटिंग
no minister was first and now it is for the MLAs. Nothing.
मिनिस्टरांक कितें आसलें
Nothing, Baba. It's just a meeting for the thing, no?
any reshuffling?
रिशफलिंगाचेर बी कितें
See, reshuffling is the prerogative of the chief minister. Chief minister, if he wants, he can reshuffle anyone anytime.
पण आता कितें डिस्कस बी जाला
No, that's no.
So smart city condition is very worse. What do you like to say?
See, the rains are also so heavy. Now what I do, now we can only blame it on the rain. Now let us see, no?
Rain
See,
not-
we will see. It is a testing time. We will come to basically know what went wrong or what is wrong as far as the smart city works are concerned.
इतलो अमाउंट स्पेंड करून रेनाचो उपाय जावचो म्हणून इतलें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड केला ना
That even I feel. No, now let us see, no, what happened.
So, but
let us see whatever the mistakes have been committed. Let us try to rectify those mistakes.
But how long the people should wait?
Now
for
I
things
cannot
like-
see. I cannot tell you anything right now. So let us assess whatever happens after the monsoon.
So, but condition is very worse.
तुम्ही म्हटलेले तुमकां जर रेनबो पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार पावस सहन करचो पडटलो म्हणून
Still I cannot see
रेनबो
any
दिसोना
rainbow.
पावस घेवन सगळे बुडले
So that's the reason I said rainbow comes. Still I have not seen rainbow. Okay.
So, any patchwork at least all the
Arey, but this patchwork and all cannot be done now in the monsoon. If patchwork means
Jet
what
patcher
they could,
म्हणून.
jet patcher. I don't know what is the state of the jet patcher. See, listen to me. Just putting the rubbles and all around. That is the only thing. What is the solution? Temporary solution. But back again, this rain is so heavy. Back again after this thing start coming out. So now and then basically we have got to do this.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स करतले ना स्मार्ट सिटी लोकांची
See, what I am trying to say, whoever the contractor has been given the work, it is clearly in the tender must have been mentioned what is the quality of the work. So let that assessment take place after. Now it is wherever whatever thing has been damaged which has been done by the contractor, that the MD will assess. So then basically responsibility will be taken.
बेड वर्कर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल और कन्सल्टंट प्लॅनिंग क्वालिटी चेक सगळे कन्सल्टंट चेक करतात
See, consultant is the fellow who was supposed to look after the because he is the fellow who sanctions the final bill.
हां
You understand? So as per the
design
work,
करता,
as per the work which has been taken place, so it is basically the responsibility of the consultant itself. So anyhow, let us see.
सर इल्लीगल थोडे जे स्ट्रक्चर्स आशिल्ले गव्हर्नमेंट हितून ते तुम्ही म्हणटाले एक्शन जातले म्हणून पूण काय एक्शन जाल्ली दिसना
ते
हेजे कडेन सांतिनीच थोडे जे स्ट्रक्चर्स गव्हर्नमेंट
It will be removed.
शीतल
It will
हॉटेल
be removed. It will be removed.
तुम्ही म्हणिल्ले की
It will be removed. That work has not been completed. No, work is going on. It will be removed.
थंय बरे सर्कल जावपाचें
It will be removed. It will be removed. Be rest assured, whatever has been said, it will be done.
So one more thing.
डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट मीटिंग बी जाना बिकॉज चडशे पावस पडला चडशे पूर
See, disaster management, I was not there for the meeting last time when because CM has taken the meeting of disaster. Whatever as far as the disaster management is there, disaster management things are in place. Collector is basically monitoring as far as any disaster is concerned.
So one more thing. Asgaon demolition case, the mutation has been given for within 1 day.
एके दिसान जालें
It is possible.
आजगाव
Examples has been set before for giving it for 1 day. So there is nothing wrong.
But the
So
Sunday-
that shows the efficiency of our department. And see,
But the
first and
benefit मिळाना.
foremost, see, there is a remedy and there is a recourse for all these things. Suppose even mutation is not the end to it. If anything has been done wrong, anyone can basically apply to the deputy collector. And then after that, back again, if there is anything even after that, the agreed revision, it will come back to me.
एक खंयचें म्युटेशन एके दिसान जाता बाकीच्यांची 6 महिने माहीत लागता
झालेले हा ना पहिले बी झालेले हा अजून जाता no anyhow you should basically thank that it is efficient and that our department has basically
On Sunday?
ओनली फॉर फ्यू पीपल
no I don't know about Sunday night. You simply don't say raise Sunday night. Okay.
Thank you.